Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable an option called WOC, which is Wake on Chromecast on Toshiba 32WA2363DG. Wake on Chromecast lets you make your TV be always ready for casting. So if you start casting from your Android phone, it'll automatically turn on the TV. And to do it, go to the very top section of the home screen, then go to the right to the settings. Now you'll have all these different things. You can go to network and internet, then go down and find WOC, Wake on Chromecast. You can enable or disable it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.